driving Macau, show me the way. Driving around, lead me away. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away. Macau streets, go, 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 go. Going down the alleys, down, 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 down. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away. Macau streets, go, 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 go. Going down the alleys, down, 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 down. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away.
Oh, so we're at Haksa Beach. This is, I think it's like 1.5 kilometers, something like that. And then there's a road that we're going to be driving not too far from those, that's apartment buildings on Haksa Road. So we're going to drive down that way. And Haksa Road actually starts not too far from here. And then there's a restaurant over here as well. So we're gonna, and the road is like in these trees. And anyways, you'll see, this is just a starting spot, so let's get into it. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, I can't quite show you Haksa Road without giving you some context that it goes along Haksa Beach. Haksa means black sand. And I don't know if it's black or not, but it is a little bit. Got your seashells as well. Okay, so we're gonna drive down the road, give you some context, give you an idea of what Macau looks like outside of just the dense, beautiful roads within the city. There's a restaurant right at the beach here called Miramar, so you can hear all the people enjoying their Saturday afternoon. A little bit of a... So that's Haksa Beach. Oh, there's somebody walking along. So all of that is part of that hotel property right there. And then this goes all the way down. This is all public, so you can walk down all of that. And you can even walk a little bit in this trail. Okay, so what we're gonna do is show you what the road looks like. So yeah, I can actually park here. So I did. We're gonna show you all of Haksa Road because it's not a very easy road to walk. You'll see exactly why in a moment. So I'm gonna do the entire length of it while I'm in the car, and that'll give you a better context. It also kind of gives you an idea of what's out here. Haksa Beach, Haksa Road, which is going to be the focus of this one. This is also what people usually refer to when they refer to Koloman. The camera's a bit blurry right there, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is drive the road. It's probably like a couple kilometers to do the whole thing. And there's bus stops along here too, so you can actually get off these buses and have access to like Miramar or all of that, all the access up and down the entire road. So we're going to be going the full length of it. We're going to go down to the beginning of it, which is a roundabout, and then we're going to come back. It'll make context, so it'll make more sense in a moment. But one thing that people don't really know, there's a nice sports car. You'll see lots of those out on these roads out here. But yeah, you know, Macau is one of the most densest cities in the world. There's some of the highest numbers for population per square kilometer, per square mile, stuff like that. Up above, by the way, is a pedestrian bridge, walking bridge for trails, hikers. So hikers can go across that. I just saw a golf cart a little while ago as well. Somebody's walking down that street. It says Praia de Haxa right there, Haxa Beach. You can see these kind of mountain stuff already, right to the left. I don't know if there's a little bit of a glare of the sun and the windshield slightly, but the main thing is you get the context of what it looks like. I think it's kind of beautiful when it's like raining, and you know the trees are kind of like wet and lush, like nice and green. But we're gonna take what we can take and see what it looks like. And this particular time, which is about 2:30 on a Saturday afternoon. So right down there is Myanmar. That's where we just started at. Some people waiting for the buses right there as well. And then you can see some of those rocks and mountains. And I think some of them are like protected so they don't fall into the street. And then to the left, you can't see it with the trees, but the beaches are right there. So we're going to be following the beach all the way to the left. There are lookouts along the way, and I have filmed them at times. Usually when I film out here, I just kind of do a small snippet in a certain spot, and I walk around a little bit, and I'll take in a view. So some of the last times I was at Haxa Beach, here's one of those views right here. I know I've filmed over here before. And there's like a viewing platforms. So at the end of this video, the last time I was at Haxa Road, Estrada de Haxa, those will be linked. And I always do that with all the videos. I always put the last 2 times I was at that same road that I'm on in the current video at the end of the video. So you can always see what it looked like other times. But yeah, this one will be a driving video. I just have the camera stationed at the windshield. I've actually filmed in here before too, walked in this area. I don't know the whole story with this one, but it's like a little series of apartments that are kind of chill and quiet. Estrada de Haxa. Yeah, I think the beach is 1.2, but the road might be closer to, goes all the way to Chokvan Road. Chokvan is another beach. So Haxa is the longest beach in Macau and the most visited. And then Chokvan is the second largest beach and the second most visited. And Chokvan Beach is more kind of quaint and chill and cool. Haxa Beach has more facilities. It's longer, it's bigger. There's like barbecue pits and they're both good. So now we're coming into Haxa and the road continues up past these buildings, but I'm gonna go down to the beach again because I want to kind of give full context of exactly what else is in Haxa Road. So I need to go down. Oops, I'm gonna come back that way. But so now we're on Avenida de Luis de Camões, named after the poet Camões. So the beach is directly straight ahead. And I'm gonna loop around and come back to Haxa Road in a moment. I think I'm gonna go around this loop, but I'm gonna go through the parking lot. So you're gonna see me do like one full loop because I can capture more on the camera that way. And then I'm gonna go down this parking lot in a moment and you'll see. So over here is the beach. There's kayaking, there's different facilities for different types of sailing vessels. This is the main parking lot, so the buses will come in here and drop people off. So if somebody does want to visit Haxa Beach, this is the bus station that they'll come on and off at, jump off at and get back on it. Straight ahead there's a couple of restaurants, convenience stores, and there's a whole like little system to go to the right along the beach, the boardwalk, stuff like that. That's the convenience store. I'm gonna go behind this a little bit. Fernando's is a restaurant, really famous restaurant. That was just that was next to the convenience store to the right. We're gonna go back to Haksa Beach. There's a swimming pool to the left, which is off camera. I don't want to just leave the camera stationed where it's at. But yeah, this is not. I think this road is not really a through road. I mean, we're going through it right now. But usually people just go down through the parking lot and come back. I don't think I filmed this road. This is it does have a name, Povashao de Haksa. Probably should film it one of these days. But if I filmed it, it's not really that interesting, as you can see, to walk it. That's the problem in this area. It's like this Haksa road is kind of a monotonous one to walk and film. Now we're back on Haksa Road. So that was just like a little tributary. And Haksa Road continues. Those apartments to the left, I think that they're all called Helen Gardens. If they're not all of it, that's the bulk of them are called Helen Gardens, after the Greek goddess, I guess. So we're still on Estrada de Haksa. I'm gonna just stay on it until we get to Chokvan Beach. I'm trying to give you some more context of what Macau looks like. So we're doing a little series of driving videos because you can do some of these longer roads. They're not so conducive to walking. In Macau, I really love walking in the city streets because there's a nice views to the left. If I went down there, probably should. Another video I will. I have filmed down there before as well. This sidewalk is relatively new, and they just put this in maybe 2-3 years ago, I think. Before you had to kind of walk on the street a little bit, and like this is kind of going between these two beaches. We just crossed into Chokvan Road and also the Chokvan Beach. So I'm just gonna drive down it real quick, and then we're gonna end our video. So basically, we did Haksa Road. We started out at the beach itself, and then we did the full road. Put a little context into the driving aspect of it. And at the moment we're driving into Chokvan Beach from Haksa Road, which led into Chokvan Road. It's a nice restaurant right straight in front of us there. And so yeah, let me drive safely so nobody. And we're just gonna go down there and give you a little context, and then we're going to you're gonna get a kind of an idea of so that's the beach right there. I'll go kind of slow so it's okay. Then you can park down here. I don't know if I will park or not. If I see a parking space, I might. There's a lot of them, but there are people around. Let me just kind of go slow, then you can see the beach all the way down like that, right? And there are people around as well. And there's a nice swimming pool down there. There's a restaurant, public showers to go in and out of the water, change clothes and things like that. Okay, so that is a little bit of Haksa Road, a little small slice of Haksa Beach, and an added bonus of Chokvan Beach as well. Sheesh, the taxi was in my lane. Okay, let's end the video. Hope you like that one. Haksa Road.
me away. Drive me, drive me, drive me, drive me away.